If you're a young Christian navigating the faith, or someone looking to have Christian friends, godly friends that you can talk about God with, friends that can encourage you in your work with God, or maybe you move to a new environment and you're looking for Christian friends that align with your values, you're not alone. I discovered that having Christian friends actually help you your work with God. It makes it a lot better. So here's how to make connections that will uplift you and strengthen your work with God. Firstly, you have to be the Christian friend that you want to have. Yeah, people who are serious with their work with God don't want to be unequally yoked. They want someone that would sharpen them also. Proverbs 27 verse 17 says, iron sharpens iron. Some of us are actually dying to our flesh every day by the grace of God. We're in the world and everything. We don't want to bring someone who's ungodly really close to us. Why? Because there's a high chance this person will pull us back into the world. Trust me, we don't want to be there. Secondly, pray to God. Ask Him to connect you with godly friends. Let me tell you this, God wouldn't connect you with someone who is godly, someone who is serious with his or her work, when He knows that you're still in the world and there's a possibility that you pull the person into the world. He's not trying to lose more kids to the world, okay? So when He knows that you're sincere, He's going to connect you with someone that would sharpen you, that you also sharpen the person, you understand? Someone that you grow together with. Thirdly, be part of a Christian community. Hebrews 10 verse 25 encourages us to not forsake the assembly of the righteous. Go to church, attend Christian events, serve in church, join a Christian community. Trust me, it's really important. When you do these things, or when you do some of these things, you'd make friends that will encourage you your walk with God, friends that you can study the Bible, friends that can pray with you and for you, friends that you can comfortably talk about God with in this age. You understand? Also, actually put something together that might help you if you're looking to make Christian friends. It's in my description if you need it. If this video helped you a little bit, you can do me a favor by hitting the like button. This will enable me know that videos about how to grow your work with God is something you're interested in. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you soon. Bye.